Do you know if Java uses pass by value or pass by reference? Both of these terms are related to passing variable to a function. Pass by value means that when we pass parameter to the function, our program creates a copy of that variable with the same value and then passes that value to the function. Since we are passing copy of a variable, any changes made inside the function with that variable will not reflect outside the function. Consider this program where we create an int variable a with the value 10 and then pass it to the change function where we modify its value to 5. If we print a inside the function, it will print 5 because it's accessing the local variable which is copy of actual a. If we print a outside the function, it will print 10 because inside the function we only modified the copy of that variable, not the actual variable. So creating a copy of a variable with the actual value and then passing it to the function is called pass by value. On other hand, passing a variable by reference means actual address of a variable is passed to the function. This means that any changes made with the variable inside the function will also affect the original variable. Now consider the same program. In pass by reference, instead of creating a copy of a variable, we pass the address of actual variable. So when we change the value inside the function, value stored at that address gets changed. Means if we print a inside the function and after calling the function, the change value, that is 5, will be printed. So in Java, whenever you pass variable, Java will create a copy and then pass it to the function. That's why Java uses pass by value. But wait, instead of passing primitive data types like int, if we pass an object and modify some variables of object inside the function, then Java will modify the value of actual variable. Meaning outside the function, Java will also print the modified value. How does this happen? So to understand answer of this question, we have to understand what exactly an object in Java. When you create object of any class, Java will allocate the memory for the variables and function for that object. And our variable object store the reference to that location. So object variable itself does not directly store the data, but rather it holds the reference to the memory location where that data is stored. The value of object variable is nothing but the reference to the memory location of actual data. Java uses pass by value. So when you pass an object to a function, Java will create a copy of an object with the same value. However, in case of object, value is nothing but the reference to the actual data. So the reference will get passed. And when you change the value inside the function, the value at that reference will get changed. Therefore, if you try to access that variable outside the function, you will get modified value. Now before closing this video, I want you guys to guess the answer of following program. You can pause this video to think. If your answer is 5, then you are wrong. Java uses pass by value. So Java created a copy of object which stores address of actual data. Inside the function, we initialize copied variable to a new object. So now it holds reference of a new object, not the original object. So even if you change value inside the function, the new object's data will get updated. That's why when you print a's value after calling the function, it will print 10. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.